This is VIVO T1 Pro, and today I will show how you can set up and use the nearby share feature on this device. So first you will need to, not necessarily, but I advise that you enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Then find at the quick access or control panel, find the icon that says nearby share, touch and hold edit. In order to activate it, you will need to toggle the switch on. From here, you can rename the device if you want to, or rather if it will allow me to. So let me quickly reopen the nearby share page. Yep, so you can set a custom name for your device. You can manage and control your phone visibility and restrict it if necessary. And then you can also change the network type that will be used for the, file transfer directly. Once everything is set up and ready to be used, let me quickly test it out, as I've promised. So I'll try sending this screenshot I just took. So here is the nearby share. Here is my VIVO. As you can see, the picture was successfully sent and received. So that'll be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.